If you need another key for your Chevy, Buick, Cadillac, or lots of other vehicles, and you want to skip the expense and wasted time at the car dealership, well, come check out Tom's Key Company. Before I show you how easy this is, I'm going to call the Chevy dealership, and we're going to find out if I can get this programmed before they even give me a rip-off price quote. Hi, I'm trying to find out how much it's going to cost to get another key made for a 2014 Chevy Cruze.
2014 Chevy Cruze?
Yep.
On average, a key replacement comes down anywhere between $350 to $450.
You say $350 to $450?
On average.
Is there a way I can get an exact price of my key so I know what I'm going to be?
I would need to know your VIN number.
Okay. I'm right back.
I need to know your VIN number, and I can give you a call back with that information. Okay. Well, just give me about an hour and I'll give you a call back.
All right, thank you. The first Chevy dealership said it was going to cost $350 to $450, and it's taken an hour just to give me a quote. While we wait on hold, let me show you how easy this is to make a spare key without leaving home. It's important that you have at least one working key that starts the engine. This one, you can tell it's well beat up. All the buttons are falling out. If you stick a key in there, you can actually get the doors to lock. But this one's got the tile key finder. Pairs to your smartphone, you can always find your keys, and it's not necessary that you have the one with the buttons. If you just have a plain key that started the engine, as long as your vehicle is manufactured with lock, unlock buttons, you can use Tom's Key Company and our key by photo key cutting service to help you make a spare key. Okay, we're going to take our working key, put it in the ignition, turn it 2 clicks to the on or run position. Do not start the engine. Watch for the security light to turn off. Once it turns off, pull that original key out, take your new key, put it into the ignition, and turn it 2 clicks to the on or run position. Watch the security light. Notice it turned off. That key's now been programmed. If you get a theft deterrent system warning like this, then the procedure did not work. You'll need to try it again. This key should now start the engine. Put it in the ignition, fire it up. That security light turned on briefly, and then it turned off. We're good to go. Let's make sure the original key still works. Beautiful. Fires up the engine. Let's try this out. Here's a new one. Locks the doors, unlocks the doors. Beautiful. On this old key, the unlock button is actually broken, but the lock button should still work. There. This one clearly is highly inconvenient, and our new key's going to be so much nicer. Now for the magic of our key by photo key cutting service. As you place your order, be sure you add our awesome key by photo key cutting service. It's really easy. Get your photo from 3 different positions so that we have a good clear shot of your key. Then you're going to upload the photos to our website. Using our awesome key by photo key cutting technology, we will cut your new key. New key arrives, already fitting your vehicle. Okay, let's try the second one.
Chevy Parts, this is Frank. How can I help you?
I need to get another key for 2014 Chevy Cruze.
The key by itself with taxes is $134.85.
Okay.
And I know programming is going to run you about $200.
About $200 for that. Okay.
Plus 134, so you're looking probably like at $335.
About $335.
Take $1.
Ouch. Okay. Thank you so much. I sure appreciate it. I'm done making a spare key. Can you believe that? They want $325 to make a spare key at the Chevy dealership. That's a ripoff when you can do it without leaving home, save hours of time and hundreds of dollars with the help of Tom's Key Company. Now you might ask, what if something goes wrong? Well, no worries. We've got great customer service. Visit help.tomskey.com where you can find answers to lots of common questions. And if it still doesn't work, no worries. We've got a full money-back guarantee. Just let us know, send everything back, you get a full refund. It's that easy. Will you do me a favor? I've got a goal to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Will you help me out by smashing that subscribe button? You've seen how easy it is to make a spare key with the help of Tom's Key Company and our key by photo key cutting service. Come to tomskey.com and place your order today.